Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another very affordable wig, and for this tutorial I use the expression in color 30 and 33, and this is everything we are going to be needing for today's tutorial. So I went ahead to prep the hair off camera just to save time, and I also cut the braiding hair into 3 because I wanted the length to just be on my shoulder. So here I'm just placing the net on the wig cap, and for the ventilating of this hair, I ventilated most of the hair off camera because I have loads and loads of videos on how you can ventilate braiding hair or maybe any kind of wig on a hair net. So if maybe you watch this video and then you need more tutorial on that, I'll leave a link to those videos here so you can go ahead and watch that. And also too guys, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button, give the video thumbs up, drop comments down below, and just keep watching so you could see how I made this very beautiful two-toned affordable wig. So guys, at first I started off using this crochet hook, but the hook was quite big and it was actually tearing the wig cap, so I had to switch from using this to a smaller ventilating pin. So I would advise, if you're going to be making this hair, then you should avoid using the big crochet pin, rather use the ventilating one. So as you guys have noticed, while crocheting the braiding hair on the wig cap, I'm making them close to themselves to give it a fuller look. So guys, I'm going to be coiling the hair now using beaded rollers, and I always say that different coil styles depends on how you get to coil the hair. So but for this particular wig, because I wanted it to be like a fluffy kind of coils, I'm going to be coiling this hair like so. So there are a lot of tutorials on my videos whereby I have different coil patterns depending on how I coiled the hair. This is it guys for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Thank you all so much for watching and engaging with my content, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye for now.